This video is all about Akzentz Matte On Top Coat. Hey guys, Liz from the Nail Hub here, and last time I showed you guys all about the Luxio line from Akzentz, which is a Canadian company out of Vancouver, Canada. We have distributed this product for a long time now, and I have personally used it since I started as a manicurist. Akzentz is a great product line. And I showed you a basic gel polish manicure using the other popular products in the Luxio line, but I wanted to show you guys the matte on top coat as well that you can add to your manicures if you want that nice matte finish. Now, one thing I will tell you about matte on is I do recommend that you shake it if you haven't used it in a minute. So just shake it really nicely. I also like to turn the bottles upside down and just kind of tap them against my wrist, just like I would if it was nail polish or something. This just helps distribute all of the matte pigment that's in there and make sure it's nice and even. Matte On does have kind of like a milky look to it when you open it, so it's going to look different than your typical top coats. You can see it kind of has like this silky, milky look to it. And you can apply this over any of the gels in the Akzentz lineup. So let me just zoom in here for a second. All right, so you're just going to take a nice thin coat and apply it over your Luxio color. You can do it right on the sticky layer of the Luxio. You don't need to cleanse the nail or anything like that. You're just going to apply one nice even coat. And then you're going to cure this for 30 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a CFL lamp. Okay, when the matte on is cured and comes out, it's going to look really weird. It's going to look like this, and it's still going to look shiny. And I know that that has been confusing to some people, so I wanted to show you exactly what it looks like when it's been cured. So you're just going to take a wipe and some cleanser, and you're going to clean off that inhibition layer that is on the matte on. And this is going to expose that nice matte finish over the color. Okay, so just let that dry. Once you've taken off the inhibition layer, just give it a second to dry. And you can see you get a beautiful matte finish over any of the colors. So this was that Luxio Current color that I had put Shine on top of. And you can see that as a matte finish, it's also really, really, really beautiful. Nice, even matte with no streaks. And I can also show you guys this over the Forever as well if you're interested in seeing that. So let me just cleanse this really quick. So this is the Luxio Forever, which is a nice nude. And again, just go ahead and put your matte on over the nail. You can do it right on the sticky layer of the color. It doesn't have to be over another top coat. I'm just doing this on tips that I already had done. So you're just going to apply a nice even coating of matte on, and then you're going to cure that for 30 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a CFL. So again, when it comes out of the lamp, it's going to look a little bit strange. It's going to have like kind of like a grainy semi-shine to it. Just go ahead and take your wipe and your cleanser and really scrub off all of that inhibition layer without getting it on the skin. Put my tip back in here. And there you have Forever as a matte finish as well. Both of these are just ridiculously gorgeous. So here are the two. Here are the two colors side by side. So Current and Forever as a matte instead of as a shiny. So I really enjoy, toying around with textures with my nails. You can take a color and simply put matte top coat on it, and you're going to get a completely different look and feel than if you put a shiny top coat over it. So just fun to be able to add a different top coat to make your same gel line matte instead of shiny. And just wanted to quickly show you guys how matte on works, how to use it, and I hope you guys enjoy testing this out. I am going to be giving away this bottle of Akzentz Matte On So if you guys cruise on over to the community section of my channel, I will show you guys how to enter to win this. If you guys want to win a free bottle of Akzentz mat-on, it is open to anyone, anywhere in the world, as long as you are a nail student or nail professional. So anyways, I hope this has helped you guys understand a little bit more about this product, and I will see you again soon in another awesome tutorial. Bye.